Here is my Imperial Party Time solid state kitty record player from 1975. I will demonstrate with a 45, but before I do, this had a very GE-esque tone arm on it, but the cartridge was missing a needle and it was almost dead, and so I just put a universal replacement tone arm on here, so it doesn't have as much output, or either this cartridge is a lower voltage or a lower output voltage, or it's almost dead, but it has a static 146-esque, and it's a stereo cartridge, but I have it wired for mono. But that's wide open.
I have to